How to get unbanned on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. To get your account unbanned, you have to contact your Roblox support center. So for that, in your web browser, in your laptop or desktop, on the search URL, type in Roblox support. And once you search for that, hit on the first link, that is www.roblox.com support. So go to Roblox support, and once you land on this interface, there you get a form that will help you to contact with Roblox support center. So first of all, you have to enter your date of birth, then click on continue. Now on the next step, you have to provide your contact information. So first of all, type in your username. You can skip that as well, or else provide your username. And under that, enter your first name. This is also optional, so you can skip that as well. And under that, you have to enter your email address. This is mandatory, so make sure you type in your correct email address. And under that, again confirm your email address. Once you're done with that, and under that there is an issue detail that says that which device are you having the problem on. So you have to select the device, and under that you have to enter your category. From there, make sure you select moderation, and again click on this drop down menu and scroll down a bit, or you can simply select I was wrongly moderated for something I said, or select the one that you think is the suitable one. And under that, you have to describe your issue. You can say that your Roblox account has been wrongly banned, so please review my account closely and help me unban if possible. So type that issue, and once it's on, then click on continue. And if your information is correct, your form will be submitted to Roblox support, and Roblox support will contact you back and will help you out to recover your account or to unban your account. So that's how you can unban your Roblox account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment till the end, and I will see you on next video.